haven't seen that dress in a while. What's the occasion? Sleep tight, Mama Turtle. Hi, girls.
Bye. Hi, Dad.
Oh.
Hello, this is the answer machine for Evan Howells. I'm sorry I can't take your call at the moment. Please leave a message. Thank you.
Evan, it's Faith, darling. Can you give me a ring when you get this?
Evan, if this is your way of trying to tell me you want me back at the office, I just need you to know that it is really shit.
What the bloody hell is going on, Evan? This is not funny anymore.
I really don't care what he's done. I just want him home.
Hello, Abercorn Police Station. How may I help you?
A formal inquiry would begin with a detailed examination of your private lives.
Well, everyone's got secrets, haven't they?
The firm's busted him. He's deserted a sinking ship.
There's only one place colder than a loveless marriage bed. The grave.
We understand your husband recently increased his life insurance.
I think we need to keep a very close eye on Mrs. Howells. Who's Alec Fenton?
His father's here. His sister's here. What could be delaying his wife, I wonder?
I was driving out of town. I saw Evan getting into a car with Erin Glynn and her two cousins.
Your husband was involved with some bad people.
I trusted your husband to look after our money.
You're a liar, you are.
Don't you think about leaving town? Well, that would just make things so much worse.
Evidence, all pointing in one direction, and it keeps coming.
Give me one good reason not to arrest you on suspicion of murder.
You haven't got a body.